Hi guys, I'm going to show you this Micronta light meter. If I press here, you can see that it's actually sensitive to light, therefore it works. I turn on a flashlight, it goes crazy. So, show you the condition of the item. Take it out from the pouch. So this is the front, side, the back. This is the Selenium meter itself. Okay. Okay, I show you something very interesting. It comes with this thing. When you see, man, you see this is a Selenium panel, man. It's like a solar panel, I guess. But there's a crack here. But it still works if I plug it in here. Crazy, man, this thing. Yo, so cool. See? If I shine the light onto the thing. See? Whoa, crazy eh. Okay, let's see if it still works if I open here. Hey, it works also eh. Whoa. So you get double, you get a super, how to say, super sensitive. It becomes super sensitive lah, I guess. Whoa. Okay, let's say if I put a light, if I shine a light in front. Okay, let's shine. Whoa. 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 Let's say I shine a light to myself. Whoa. Whoa. Interesting. So there you go. This one gives you the ability to boost your light meter to become super sensitive. And to be honest, I don't know how to use it. I just sell on it. So if you like this thing, let me know. I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, or you find this thing very cool, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.